it's Elwood OC, and I am coming at you from the Bedouin Tallgrass Prairie in Elwood/Wilmington, Illinois. This is the site of the former Joliet Army Ammunition Plant. Just a little bit about me. I am a teacher, so this type of trip, a 2-week trip, I do have time. My wife and daughter are letting me. I'll ask them later. But I'm a huge fan of the Appalachian Trail. Read a lot of books about it. I did a trip similar to this in my truck. Here's my truck. About 5 years ago exactly, actually. The Facebook memories are popping up right now. But I like maps as well, so this is like a perfect trip for me. Yeah, I am here to showcase my van Jane that I'll be taking along the Appalachian Trail from Springer Mountain, Georgia, all the way, hopefully, to Mount Katahdin in Maine. So without further ado, everybody, this is Jane. Jane, everybody. Let's go take a look. So underneath the cot, there is a ton of room. So I'll be able to put a lot of things in storage. For example, right here, all this gear fits under half the bed, as you can see. So back to the tour. All right, here she is, the back end. So plenty of room back here. This here, the little thing I found, let me show you how it works. Number 2. So in here, we got snacks. We kind of got a junk drawer up here. Paper towels, food, socks and underwear. Just in case. I do have a shovel if I gotta take a poo out in the woods, but just in case I'm around people and gotta go. Water, there are the storage bins that have food and water in them as well. Some cooking utensils. This thing's handy. This thing's really handy. On the side, you see the paper plates. Over here we have, this is for dirty laundry. Got extension cord, we got a roller for those sore joints, bungee cords, gloves, you name it, we got it. Down here is a weather radio and a pair of binoculars just in case. Coming in hot here, we have all of our spray, some bear spray, some shower in a can when needed. Bug spray, sunscreen, all the sprays. I guess here's some more. I don't know why I would need that, but this I got next to me in the car. It's got books, just general knickknacks. Can hold that. My map, of course, my little garbage can. The phone holder I will have for the GoPro. I'll have something in the dash, make a little bitty dash cam type thing. Yeah, it should work out great. All right, let's take a look at the inside. Hey everybody, and welcome to my van named Jane. I will be taking Jane on a 14-day trip, actually about 16, but 14 days along the Appalachian Trail, where I will be visiting nice trails, trailheads, hostels, probably some restaurants, campgrounds, you name it, and I want to take you guys with me, but this is what I'll be traveling in. I did keep the one rear passenger seat open in the way back, so that's where I'm kind of chilling right now. It'll be a good seat for editing videos, reading books, eating, you know, depending on. I do have a TV tray right here, which also helps keep the bed tucked in there nice and good. So, yeah, we'll give you a little tour here. So, right now, this is my van. All right, the bed here, I have, I'll show you how I put it in and how I jacked it up a little bit, but I do have this from Amazon. I'm not sure what it was, bought it about 4 years ago. This is some memory foam, cheap stuff I bought from Amazon. Some Walmart blankets here. This here, you can't see it very well, but is a rollout mattress that has a carrying case. I'm not sure where I got that. That may have been Kmart. It was so long ago, but I did, so I have that, got my 2 pillows. It is pretty even, you can't tell now because everything's kind of jammed in here, but it is pretty even. When I put those boards underneath, it helped out a lot. Got a fan here, another Amazon pickup, but it, you know, you do have to charge it, but it works very well. hook for my hats right there. It's pretty nice setup in the back. Of course, I got the Jackery. Charge this while I'm driving. I do have solar panels as well, but charging all my devices when I'm, you know, in the middle of nowhere, there's no power, it works out very well. And I'll show you a little bit more. This thing here I got, I don't know, it had to be probably Amazon. About a year ago, 2 years ago. It helps, comes in helpful. I can throw some stuff in there. This Hebron, or Hebron, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Good cooler. My wife and I use it on road trips. We use it camping. It's a freezer fridge combination if wanted, or you could just do one or the other. Works very well. All right, here is this side. This door is going to be closed most of the time. I'll probably use the window with my bug nets. But it's got a fire log splitter if needed. A couple tables, my chairs. I will have somebody joining me along the way. Got to have your fairy lights or whatever they're, princess lights. I don't know, whatever they're called. The fan I love. It actually works pretty good. Again, this is where I'll be living for a couple weeks, and I can't wait to do it. So that's Jane. I hope you can follow along. I'll be leaving next week on a little bit of a delay, but hopefully get you a story every day, show you the sights and adventures around and on the Appalachian Trail. So stick around, subscribe below, and see you later. Have a good one.